So today we are closing on another investment property. Yay, yay. Building that wealth, long-term, residual income. Not only that, a legacy.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great.
This is just a little video of it. So you can see
Like, come on. You can step up in here until you get to these spaces and stuff.
Okay.
See, this is where we start. That's where I started. See that?
Okay.
Proud of what I do there. Hey, I'm proud of what I do. Good.
Okay.
Let them know, but as you can see, and all I want you to see, like
The finished rehab product. Only thing left to do now is clean. House has new windows, new doors, everything. Recessed lighting is already completely been passed. Building inspection, occupancy inspection is ready to move in and call home. Closet shelf. You got the nice ceramic tile. You got the nice light up there. The patio doors there, French doors. The hallway. You got 3 bedrooms. You got the bedroom in here. Sorry it's dark, but it's controlled by a light switch. You got the updated master bathroom right there. And this is the master bedroom. Mirrored doors. And as I mentioned, the only thing left now is to clean the house. You got another bedroom over there. 3 bedrooms. Here's the bathroom. Ceramic tile, the tub, toilet, new everything in here, floor, doors, everything has been reconstructed and new in this bathroom. Another closet for all your storage and whatever else you need. Basement. Here's the kitchen, as I mentioned. Granite countertops, backsplashes, mosaic tile, brand new appliances as well. All new appliances. Ceramic tile. You got a sunroom out here. This was freshly painted. And you have a full basement down here as well. And as I mentioned, everything has passed the county inspection. You got a fireplace down here. It is usable, but you will have to call Leclerc Gas to get them to come out here and set up everything because they had to be removed for inspection purposes. Finishing up some touch-up work down here. An extra room here. The house is ready to go. Lots of work has been gone and put into it. Another room that can be used as a bedroom or an office. Everything is passed, as I mentioned. New plumbing stack put in as well. Oh, like that. All GFIs updated. Plumbing, the furnace, all of that. New stack, past county inspection. All of that. Ready to go. New plumbing throughout. Nice second bedroom or family room, whatever you desire. And I mentioned the electrical inspection as well is completed, ready to pass. It's already passed per St. Louis County, ready to move in. Everything is done. Everything. All it's waiting on now is a buyer to call home. a buyer to call home.
Look,